Hi everyone, it's Phil here, and I'm here to answer your exercise, nutrition, mindset, and weight loss questions in under 3 minutes. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. But before you do, let's check out today's question right now. What is strength training? Okay. So strength training, which is also commonly referred to as resistance training or weight training, is any form of physical movement in which you use your body weight or equipment, such as dumbbells, to build strength and muscle. Now, most people think gym when it comes to strength training. However, you can do your strength training workouts at home, at the park, or at the beach. In fact, you can literally do your strength training workouts anywhere, anytime. So you can mix up where you do your workouts, or you can choose a location that you are most comfortable exercising in. It's your choice. Now, not only do you have many options in where you'll do your workouts, you also have lots of different equipment that you can choose from. For example, you can do your strength training workouts with equipment such as dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, medicine balls, suspension straps and ropes, resistance bands, or weight machines. Or you can do your strength training workouts with no equipment at all by doing bodyweight exercises such as push-ups, sit-ups, and squats as examples, which once again highlights that you can add incredible variety to your strength training workouts. You can also choose to train on your own, with a friend, with a personal trainer, in a group class, or a combination of these. The choice again is yours. So now it's over to you. You now know what strength training is and that you have many options to choose from. So now you just have to decide what you are going to do and where you are going to do it. So there you have it. That is my answer for today's question. I really hope that you found it helpful. And if you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. And last but not least, if you want to take out all of the guesswork and have exercise programs, meal plans, and recipes to follow, make sure you come to philhartson.com and you will find everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you soon.